Hello guys, so today we're going to be making crepe. So this is a French recipe that can be used for breakfast, dessert and dinner, any one of those. And for the toppings, the possibilities are endless. Like you can have Nutella, you can have white chocolate, you can have maple syrup, you can have cream, you can have honey. I put honey, cream and white chocolate. So for this recipe we need 500 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 eggs and 250 grams of flour. So first of all you pour the sugar into the flour, and after that you pour the eggs into the milk. But before that you mix the sugar and the flour together. After you pour the eggs into the milk, well mixed. And then you pour them together with the flour and the sugar. So yeah, as you can see right now, just wait a little bit until you pour the butter in. So before you pour the butter in, just whisk them both together. It'll take you a couple minutes. The flour will be really thick by then, so you probably need to use a whisk. Okay, now that the mixture is smooth, we can pour the butter in, and actually it looks pretty cool. As you can see, it looks very golden brown. It looks golden brown. See, now we whisk it together to make it look even cooler. Okay, so now we've got our crepe, but it can't be edible like that. We need to fry it, but before you fry it we have to put oil on our pan, because if we don't have oil on our pan, when we try and put our mixture onto the pan, it'll stick. So yeah, let's just so there's the spoon we're gonna take out our crepe with. But if you don't have a spoon like that, you can just take a normal spoon and get a couple spoonfuls and put it onto the pan. But if you have this, you might need 1 or 2 drops of the liquid. So yeah, let's just drop it in and make sure you get in to every part of the plate if you want it to be nice and thin, which are what crepes are supposed to be. And yeah. Okay guys, make sure you keep frying it and flipping it until each side is golden brown, just like the bit you see on the screen. Okay guys, so we basically did 2 more of the crepes. So yeah, we just did the same recipe again and again. This recipe should make you about 10 crepes. So yeah, this recipe did make us 10 crepes, and guys, just remember the possibilities are endless for the crepe top. So yeah, you can have it as a savory or a sweet dish. So if you want it as a sweet dish, you can put, as I said in the beginning of the video, you can put white chocolate, black chocolate, you can put any kind of syrup like maple syrup. And if you want it as a savory dish, you can have it sausages or even butter. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new. And make sure to comment down below what you used it with, how long it took you, and how much crepes actually you got out of this recipe. So yeah guys, thank you very much.
It's black and white.